There we go. Looks like deli meat. All right, so the deli meat, delicious. It's got that slight pull that you get in deli meat. You know, it's kind of like, it's almost like a smoked turkey. Soft, a little bit of chewiness, some good umami. Delicious deli meat. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some deli meat. There's no mystery, there's no meat. It's sliceable, it's savory, it's fantastic. You know, deli meat now can be going for like $18 a pound. And you don't get even a whole lot. You get a few slices and you spent all this money for something that you don't know the ingredients in it, you don't know the impact, you don't know the health impact, you don't really know the protein that you're getting. Today I'm making a guilt-free, meatless, flavor-infused protein deli meat. Okay, so I'm gonna start with putting some pressed tofu in a blender. I'm gonna add in some beans. Some vegetable stock. Some soy sauce. Some apple cider vinegar, some maple syrup, and some oil, and some tomato paste. I'm going to add 2 cups of Meadow wheat gluten, some nutritional yeast, and some chickpea flour. So I'm going to mix up the dry ingredients. Now I'm going to add in the flavor enhancers. We got some salt, crack in some pepper, some cumin, some paprika, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. We mix this all up. Okay, and now we're going to add in the liquid ingredients. So when you get to this point of your dough, you're not really trying to knead this much, but you do want to make sure that everything is mixed in properly. So do some slight kneading, some slight folding of everything. Now at this point, I'm gonna let this rest for about 10 minutes to really let the gluten kind of activate. Then I'm gonna shape it into like a deli log, and I'm gonna wrap it in some foil and steam it. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of oil down. All right, so we have our mixture here. So now I'm really just kind of shaping it into a deli ball. Kind of want it to be thick, everything like so. I'm gonna wrap it up. All right, so the deli meat is done steaming. Here it is, and I'm gonna open up and check it out. And that looks good. Now, at this point, the deli meat itself is a little tender. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator. I'm gonna let it cool for about 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. And when that is finished, it'll stiffen up a little bit, and then it'll be perfect for slicing. Okay, so here is the deli meat. So it's great. I can tell that it's still a little warm, so I would recommend cooling it for longer than 2 hours. But let's go ahead and try it out.